A hearty good morning to all. From a New Horizon book, turn page number 87. In our page number 87, we have lesson 14, A Voyage from London to Bombay. Before getting into the lesson, let us talk about the term voyage. What is voyage? Voyage is a long journey involving travel by sea. So, it is a long journey or a long trip, especially by ship. Okay? Now, let us have some talkings about the characters. There are three characters in this lesson. First is Beena, second is Beena's mother, and third is Beena's father. Today, Beena reached Bombay by flight. Her parents had gone to receive her. All three of them met each other at the airport. Beena's father told her to ask her mother about the delights of a leisurely voyage some decades ago. So, next day, Beena asked her mother to tell her about the pleasant and delightful voyage of which her father was telling her to ask. Okay? So, let's get into the lesson. Welcome back to the lesson, A Voyage from London to Bombay. It so happened Beena's father had to go to the United Kingdom for a postgraduate course. In those days, Beena was quite small and they had to stay for 2 years in London. When they were back to India, they did so by ship. The ship was like an enormous mobile hotel with rows of cabins, several dining rooms, dance halls, shops, and a swimming pool. There was also a sick room with a doctor and a nurse in attendance. Beena's mother said that as Beena was small, she spent a lot of time in the nursery, watched over by a kind lady who taught rhymes and song to the children on board. They crossed the English Channel smoothly, but as they were near the coast of France and entered the Bay of Biscay, the weather was rough. Next, the ship stopped at the Rock of Gibraltar. There, the people got off the ship and viewed its forts and the narrow straits. Later, through the Mediterranean Sea, they reached Marseilles. Here, the people offer models of ships to thank God in a church which is on the top of the hill. Then the ship entered the Bay of Naples, where the people saw the volcano Mount Vesuvius. The thick smoke was rising from it. Naples is one of the big, busy, and beautiful cities in Italy. Port Said was their next stop. It is in Egypt. The Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea, so the voyage was much shorter. Now, at Port Said, peddlers offered attractive goods for sale, such as the wall carpet with a camel design. After Port Said, the ship sailed down towards Aden. And now they were close to Karachi. From there, they saw the familiar gateway of India. Then the ship slowly sailed into Bombay harbour. Like this, they had a voyage from London to Bombay, which took 21 days to reach their homeland. Thank you.